Hello guys, this is Average Trader and welcome to week 21 of our trade logging series. This week we made 4.5 hours. Pretty easy week given our last 3 weeks. So yeah, let's get straight into the first trade of the week. Before we do that, I want to remind you guys that we do all of this live. If you want to see every single trade live every morning, be sure to head over to our chat room. We're the only chat room that promises profit every month, right? If we don't make money in a certain month, you don't pay us a dime. All right, let's get into the first trade. First trade of the week was HZNP 100 by 101, and we broke even on this trade. You can see that we got in on this breakdown, and this topping tails took us straight out, which is unfortunate because it did pop 50 cents. But on these momentum plays, we really don't like them chopping around, which is why we moved to broke even a bit early. But yeah, HZNP break even. Next trade we took was BAC 3570 by 3580, and for this trade we got 2R pretty easily, right? Took this off of a breakdown pattern right here, right? You could have argued to get in at a bit earlier at maybe 35 73 or whatever, right? But we had a 10-cent stop, went almost 4R actually, right? So you could have gotten a lot more R out of this, but per my trading plan, it is 2 R's. So the next trade we took was NVDA 168.35 by 167.90, and we got stopped out. We got triggered in off of this topping tail right here, and we got stopped out because markets immediately went red. You can see on the 1 minute we took this 1 minute breakout, and unfortunately it was a pop and drop for us, and there's not much we could have done there. So yeah, that's that trade. And then the trade after that was a Meta 119.13 by 120.13, and we got 2R out of this very easily. We took this off of a daily play. So not really a pattern on the 1 or 2 minute, but because of the daily breakdown, we got 2R out of this pretty easily, right? Which is why we use multiple time frames. Multiple time frames always makes our chances a lot higher. And next trade was QQQ. We took a half R lot on this, and we got stopped out of this, which is why we only got stopped for half of an R. We took this off of a 280.83 by 280.52 run buy setup right here, and unfortunately we did get stopped out of this thing pretty easily. We should have gotten in at 280.60 area, right? But we didn't expect that the markets would take another turn lower. And honestly, it wasn't that good of a trade, which is why we only took a half R risk, right? Because this is 50% retracement, which is why, it probably took a turn lower. And the next trade we took was Tesla 171.38 by 172.38, a dollar stop, and we got 2R out of this thing pretty easily as well, right? Took this off of a breakdown, a very sloppy breakdown, mind you. But when is Tesla not sloppy, right? Yeah, and we got 2R out of this pretty easily, a sloppy breakdown pattern right over here. And that is all the trades we took this week. If you do want to see all these trades live, be sure to head over to our chat room. If you have any questions or comments, head over to the Discord. I'm pretty active there. Otherwise, have a nice weekend, guys. Bye-bye.